Sakhi is describing to Radha how Krishna is in Viraha, a lot of lamentation, where you see in the pad itself, the pavan or the breeze, the Malaya breeze actually giving him pain.
Vahathi Malaya Samire.
When Madana's arrows fall, moonbeams burn his body.
Vahathi Malaya Samire.
Kamadeva in a very cheeky mood, and he is actually very happy to be shooting these arrows with a cheeky smile on his face. And Krishna is like hurt and he's saying, why are you doing this to me? It's a man experiencing the breeze. Keep it slow and steady. Just use the fingers, not even the wrists, and let the wind hit you. You don't need to follow the breeze with your drishti right now, because now the technique is to, what you're trying to show that he can hear. So if you follow it, you're not hearing, you're watching. Catch it. Go tell her of my pain. Please do, request.